Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into how to configure Trello card reminders. Let's get started. First off, log into your Trello account and navigate to the board and card you wish to set a reminder for. The reason we start with this is you need to be in the specific context where the reminder should apply. Now that we've done that, click on the card to open it and then click on the Due Date button. This button is typically on the right side of your screen under the Add to Card section. Setting a due date is important because this is what Trello uses to trigger the reminder. Next up, pick your desired due date and time. Then, click on the Save button. Now here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is now aware of when you want to be reminded about this card. Now let's add the reminder. Click on the Reminder button that appears just below the due date you've just set. A drop-down menu will appear. This helps us because it provides options for when you want to be reminded. Select a time frame that suits you best. For instance, if you want to get a reminder 1 day before the due date, select 1 day before. Then click on the Save button. The final step is to make sure you have your notifications enabled. To do this, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, then click on Settings, and then Notifications. Make sure the email and app notifications options are turned on. This is a critical step because without this, Trello can't send you the reminders. Let me explain why this matters. Trello is an incredibly powerful tool for managing tasks and projects, and these reminders are a key feature that ensures nothing falls through the cracks. And there you have it. You've just set up a Trello card reminder. Remember, being organized and on top of your tasks is always a good thing. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.